They've been making butter coffee here since the 50s. Pretty excited to try it. Some things I need to try here. Well, I have a theory that the older the person that makes your coffee, the better it's going to be. You ever seen butter? Here, look at that. At the bottom is condensed milk. Oh man, that's so good. Holy shit. This might be in the top 5 cups of coffee I've had in my life. And it's also probably the cheapest. God, I love it. I'm gonna get a second cup after this for sure. Oh, look what's arriving. Ah, Kaya toast. Thank you, my man. I saw somebody dip the bread in. Oh yeah. All day, baby. You know how much this cost? $3.60 Sing. That's $2.20 American. I got a second one. This time just the butter and the black coffee.